guys, welcome back to my channel Tulika's Vibe, and today I'm here with another workout video. And today's workout video is all about love handles. Yeah, how you can treat your love handles properly. What are love handles? Love handles are areas of skin that extend outward from the hips. When you wear tight clothes, love handles can become more prominent. They indicate excess fat accumulation around the hips and abdominal area. What causes love handles? The cause of love handles is fat retention. Fat cells accumulate when your body takes in too many calories or you don't burn as many calories as you are consuming. Over time, these fat cells can become noticeable as they accumulate in certain areas such as around your waist and hips. Fat can accumulate anywhere in the body, but there are certain factors that increase retaining fat in the hip, lower back and abdominal areas. Factors that contribute to love handles are lack of physical activity, diet high in fat, sugar and high calorie foods, hormones especially too much cortisol, sleep deprivation, hypothyroidism, low metabolism, aging. Belly fat accumulation is particularly common as you get older. Are love handles risky for your health? Love handles are not dangerous, but they may indicate some risk factors for chronic illness such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, liver disease, sleeping problem, breathing issues, arthritis, stroke, cancer. If you have the problem of love handles, you should treat this in right way cause preventing love handles may help boost your overall health. How to treat the fat of love handles? Healthy diet and workout can solve this problem. You have to follow healthy diet and have to do some workouts. That's it. I have shared many easy healthy recipes and daily diet. I will share the link in below. Go to the description and check. Love handles is the most annoying fat retention in our body, and it's not easy to get rid of this fat. So here is some workout I'm sharing with you guys which will help you to treat your love handles. If you continue this workout for minimum 15 days, you will definitely going to see some result in your love handles. The fat will definitely going to be reduced. So let's get into the video. But before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification every time I upload a new video. So let's start. Wipers. Lie on your back with your arms straight out to the sides. Lift your legs. Rotate the hips to one side without letting the legs touch the floor. Lift your legs and return to the starting position. Rotate the hips to the opposite side and repeat it. Keep your core engaged and your abs tight. Breathe out as you rotate the hips and lower the legs. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Try to continue for 1 minute, but if you feel that you can't continue for 1 minute, then please continue it for minimum 30 seconds. After that, take 10 seconds of break and then do it for minimum 30 seconds again. Side plank hip lifts. Start in a side plank position with your shoulder over your elbow and your body in a straight line. Bring your hip down without letting it touch the floor and then bring it back up to the side plank position. Repeat it. You have to do it for both of your sides, so switch it. When you are doing side plank hip lifts, maintain your body in a straight line from your ankles all the way to your shoulders, with the elbow underneath your shoulder and your feet stacked. Breathe slowly and keep your core engaged and your abs tight. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your shoulders off the mat and raise both legs. Bring one knee and the opposite elbow close to each other by crunching to one side and fully extend the other leg. Return to the starting position and then crunch to the opposite side. Repeat until the set is complete. Bicycle crunches helps to increase core strength, slims down your waist, and improves your stability and flexibility. Toe touches. Lie down with your back flat, knees bent and your feet flat on the floor slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Fully extend your arms down the side of your body, palms facing in. This is the start position. Exhaling, crunch your torso forward and to the right until you can touch your right toe with your right hand. Return to the starting position in smooth motion, inhaling as you do so. Repeat the movement to the other side. When you have completed the movement on both sides, you have done one repetition. This increases core strength in the obliques and the rectus abdomen, engage upper back muscles. Great beginner's exercise for targeting obliques. Russian twist. Sit on your sit bones as you lift your feet from the floor, keeping your knees bent. Elongate and straighten your spine at a 45-degree angle from the floor, creating a V shape with your torso and thighs. Reach your arms straight out in front, interlacing your fingers or clasping your hands together. Use your abdominals to twist to the right, then back to center and then to the left. This is one repetition, so continue. Russian twist is a simple and effective way to tone your core and hips. Hip twist. Start out like a plank position with your elbows on the mat, on your toes with your stomach off the mat. Keep your belly button pressed in, twist your left hip to the down and then back to the plank position. and repeat to the other side. This is 1 repetition. This exercise strengthens the oblique muscles that run along the sides and back of your abdomen, helping to create a more defined waist and supported back. Wide mountain climbers. Place both of your hands on the mat, shoulder width apart, with both feet together behind you, resting on the balls of your feet. This is your starting position. Keeping your right foot on the floor, bend your left knee and step your foot forward to the outside of your left hand. Step your left foot back and extend your right leg to return to the starting position. Keeping your left foot on the floor, bend your right knee and step your foot forward to the outside of your right hand. Step your right foot back and extend your left leg to return to the starting position. Continue alternating between right and left side. And keep breathing. It's actually a full body training with a core emphasis. Cross body mountain climbers. Assume a push-up position, core is tight, back is flat, hands are underneath the shoulders, head is in a neutral position. Bring one knee up towards your chest and twist towards the opposite elbow. Contract the core and return the leg to the starting position. Alternate between legs. The cross-body mountain climber is a core strengthening exercise that targets the entire abdominal region. The cross-body movement more actively engages the obliques and hip flexors. The exercise also improves upper body strength and stability in the chest, shoulder, and triceps. So no more excuses, start today. So yeah, that was the workout video for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And do let me know that how much annoying your love handles are. And please guys, do subscribe to my channel. Please guys, do subscribe to my channel. It will really help me to grow. I will meet you with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys.